morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today is the day that the Evo is gonna get tuned. Got everything all dialed in on the car. Everything is good to go. I did brought the car to the shop, did a smoke test leak, just making sure we don't have any leaks. We actually had a leak that was coming from the wastegate where the vacuum line goes on. That is taken care of. So the last thing that we have to do is that when we get to Dom shop, we got to put in new spark plugs. I got it gapped to 0.018. And then we also need to put in our resistor pack delete. But first things first, let's go ahead and put some gas. We're about a quarter low, so I'm gonna put like maybe 2.5 gallon. Should be good enough for just do like a couple pulls on the dyno on pump gas. I'm excited, man. This is a long time coming.
What's up, big dog? You ready or what? What are we doing in here?
I'm freaking pumped right now.
What are we doing in here, man?
Well, you tell me, Dr. A.
I don't know, dude. I'm nervous now.
What do you mean?
You got a camera in front of me. I'm not nervous for the car, though. I'm excited for the car. I don't know if you're excited or not. You look a little nervous.
Dude, on my way down here, I was having a lot of mixed emotions, to be honest with you, but
really? I'm
trying to look at the positive side.
There you go.
Yeah. As long as you're feeling positive, I'll stay positive.
Nice. We'll play nice. We're gonna nice and simple. We'll walk you through the whole process, show you some things. Then we'll turn around a little bit, see what happens.
Holy shit.
Don't get nervous. Oh, you see, he's already shy now.
He's already shy.
He's already shy now.
I ain't shy.
Morning.
Yay.
You don't sound too excited right now. Is it the
I'm
camera?
over the moon.
You're over the moon?
He's overly excited.
Or the
right
moon
now.
got a hold of me. I don't know.
Holy shucks.
Can't tell if it was a late night or an early morning.
So quick rundown on the build. It has the HKS 272 cams, ARP 2000, Cosmetic head gasket, JMF manifold with the upper pressure performance hood exit, AGT 62mm turbo twin scroll, dual ball bearing with the 3.5 intake, 3-inch downpipe all the way to the axe back with the full Tomei exhaust system, JDC coil on plug, 1300 IDX, fuel pressure regulator, 2.5 intercooler piping with the 3.5 intercooler. We also got the Radium dual hanger running 2 pumps, 450s with the plumbing kit. The only thing that's upgraded is the ACL rod bearings, but everything else is completely stock besides the cams. So on pump gas, we're not gonna go too crazy. We're gonna set everything soft, and he just want to make sure that the idle adjustment, drivability adjustment is gonna be good before we go ahead and start doing pulls. Why are you jumping right now?
I'm all pumped up for you, man. I'm all pumped up.
Oh my god, you're getting me more excited now.
91, nice and easy little cruise. Ethanol, party time.
Party time, baby. Let's go. Spicy there, Dom. Nice fireball. Yeah, that was pretty sick. So that was just a base map that Dom did a pull. So now we're gonna go ahead and start turning the car up a little bit on pump gas, not too crazy, just to see where everything else lands. The car's running good. That's a huge freaking fireball. Holy shit. Cooling it down, Baker? Wow. Yep. Jimbo's stoked right now. So the last boot that we did on pump gas is 345 wheel horsepower and 308 torque.
You can be happy out the back.
Now with pump
You
gas.
can see in the mid-range, perfectly flat torque the whole way. And then you start to run out of intercooler really bad up top
Yeah.
on pump gas. So it takes a nosedive.
At least with ethanol, it'll wake it up.
Hopefully cool things down.
Yeah. What? No. Tell him no because you know what he said? He was telling Trevor, oh, I bet the car only gonna make 460. I was like, you freaking serious? Yeah. I'm not upset though, but it's like, that felt like real confidence. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, Kevin, if you watch this car will gab your M3 before you know it. I'll give you about 10 years to even get the car running.
Behind the scenes.
Yeah, just see.
Vince.
Okay. So we just put ethanol in the car. What's your game plan?
Make 460 horsepower.
Dang, that's messed up.
No, just trying to get the map switching to play nice. We drained most of the pump gas out. Usually there's a little bit of residual left in the fuel rail, and now we'll just let it idle for a little bit to make sure we get the highest content we can. And I'll adjust the map switching injector scaling until it plays nice and gets right where we need it. Unfortunately, I think this ethanol that we have today is a little weak. It's probably in the, if I had to guess, it's probably about E60, unfortunately. But it'll get us by, especially on this turbo size. So we'll just go from there, see what happens.
You ready for this, Daddy?
Let's go.
Let's do it. So we just put E85 in the car, all full tank, and we are ready to party. You ready to party, right?
More ready.
Yeah.
I'm more ready.
I hope so, Dom, too. Don't give me that look.
460, let's go. You key on, and you look at your service engine soon. Hold the pedal. When it flashes slow like that, you're on pump gas. Up and then back on. Now you're on ethanol.
And that's it?
That's it.
Wiggle what? Baby. Damn. Keep it all nice and cool, right?
Somebody gotta keep it cool, man.
Where's Baker at?
On break.
So far the car has been holding up really good. I'm surprised.
Alright. You built it, man. Come on. You gotta have some faith.
Somewhat built it though. But she's keeping it together. I'm very happy with the results that we're making. 531? Holy yeah.
We're getting somewhere, you know.
447 torque.
The reality is we're cylinder pressure sustained.
Yeah.
You know, we're not spiking like a lot of people you'll see, like some of them on my some of my earlier runs. We're sustained in the torque, but it's a smidge high from where I think it's safe.
Okay.
So we'll try to pull our torque down. Probably on my dyno, 420 is
Okay.
where I would cut it off.
Yeah.
On stock rods. And then we'll just kind of see where the horsepower lands. We'll have to play with the mixture of the timing and the boost, but I finally got our torque to come on at 5 and then hold almost to 7, you know? So just gotta play with the timing a little bit, sprinkle it in the right places. Torque than I'd like, but 62 millimeter turbocharger problems, you know. If we had a little bit larger turbo, we could run a little more power out the back and keep the torque down, but trying to pull the boost out of it and play with the timing will start to sacrifice horsepower, trying to reduce the torque. So you kind of get what you get, but it made more power than I thought it was going to.
Really?
And your buddy, so yeah, I'll take it.
Yeah.
We just need more turbo, Jason.
I will. I will eventually. But it's a win-win for both of us.
Yeah, for sure.
Hell yeah.
I am so ready for this right now.
Feels good, huh? The street.
Dude, it feels nuts.
Try to make sure I got the phone hold. Try again.
Try again.
Sure.
Try to floor it or
You can do a launch. Do it right in front of everybody. We might not have enough boost. We'll try it. I might have to adjust it, but hey. It's okay. There we go.
what the hell? That thing just smoked the tires.
Oh yeah.
That's crazy. I'm gonna do one more foot and then we'll be good already. Do you think it'll be safe?
Yeah. Just change your oil when you get home.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Where we set our launch control at?
Well, you were still rolling.
Yeah.
It turns off at 2 miles an hour, so you weren't fully stopped. So it was more of a clutch dump,
Oh, okay.
but it worked though. You had enough power to just smoke the tire.
That was pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, of course, Ironman is not the best ideal tires, but.
You know what? They smoke the best. That's what matters.
Okay.
Reality is, if you had a much stickier tire on here, we
Yeah,
probably would have absolutely dumped the T case out of this thing.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, 100%. I smell brake, tire. No clutch though.
That's a good thing.
Brake and tire.
One more time. Where's the red limiter at?
7,200.
72.
Yep, 72. Let's go.
That is nuts.
It has been a week. We've been driving this car every single day, doing pulls left to right, and honestly, it has been holding down for a good amount of beats that I put into this car. Honestly, I could never be any happier of the results, how the car performs. It's a huge night and day difference of how it was before till now. I could not really complain. Like the amount of power and torque that the car pushed down, it just feels so amazing. It pulls you in the seat. Every gear just goes on boost, and we never had any hiccups when the car was on a dyno. So that is a huge win for all of us. At the end of the day of the dyno, we ended up finishing at 535 wheel horsepower and 450 on torque on 31 pounds of boost. Of course, with the setup that I have right now, wasn't capable to get to 600 where I wanted to be, but at least it is a start to see where the car is at, and we can actually upgrade from there. I want to give a huge shout out to Dominic for getting my Evo all dialed in, taken care of. Also with Baker, Ray, my family, my friends that has been there to witness the car to be on the dyno. If you guys are interested of getting you guys car tuned or to be worked on, hit up Dominic, guys. I'll have the link down in the description box below. If you guys are in Vegas, hit him up. Like I said, he will take care of you guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this amazing video and the journey of when we got the car here in Vegas from Hawaii to now. I am more excited to actually continue on working on this car. Like I said, I'm very happy where the car is at right now. But in the future, I would like to build the car. We still have our build block in Maui, so we just need to figure out how much it is to get it shipped down here to Vegas, so that way we can get this built block into my Evo and then we can start turning things up. Hello guys, I'll see you guys on the next video.